Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can change the language of your Caixadirecta application. To change the language, you just have to open your application, and once you log in your account, you click here where it says menu. Now you select the option that says definições, which is settings. You click here in preferências, the first option. And now you click in idioma, which is the third option. This next step is very simple. You switch from Portuguese to English. You click in OK. And then the system will automatically change the language. If after you follow the steps, the system doesn't change the language, what I'll suggest you to do is to log out and log in again in your account, and that way it will work. I hope I helped you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.